Hey everyone, welcome to our brand new tutorial. Today, we're all about crafting an awesome Instagram gallery using our Essential Grid Shopify app. Let's jump right into it. First, install the Essential Grid Gallery app from the Shopify App Store. Head to your Shopify dashboard and choose Essential Grid Gallery from the app section. This is our dashboard for the Essential Gallery app. Click on the Create Grid from Template button. Click on the social media from the left menu. We're currently importing the Instagram minimal template. Click the plus icon. Click on the Install Grid button. Then, simply click on Open Imported Grid. Click on Add-ons button located in the top right corner. Select Social Media. And then enable this add-on. Remember to save your grid after importing the template. Go to the Source tab. Now, let's link our Instagram account with the Essential Grid Gallery. Now click on the Connect Instagram Account button. We're already logged into our Instagram account. If you haven't logged in, a login form will appear. Our Instagram account is now successfully connected to the Essential Grid Gallery. Click on the Save Grid button. These images are sourced from our Instagram account. Remember, these social media templates are only available on the paid plan. Now, let's display our grid on the Shopify homepage. Next, head to the Store Customizer. Click on the Add section, then go to the App tab and select Grid Gallery. Now, we'll be adding the gallery ID to showcase our Instagram gallery. Go back to the gallery dashboard and copy this gallery ID. And go to the Theme Customizer again. Paste the gallery ID here. And save it. The home page displays our Instagram grid beautifully. Let's see how it appears in the live preview. Check out our Instagram gallery looking spot on in the live preview. So that's how you create an awesome Instagram gallery for your Shopify store. If you have any questions about this app, please leave them in the comment box below. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.